Hi, this is part 4 of the Carhartt videos that I tried to put together here. Try to make this one short, but as you can see, the pants have certainly developed more holes, and they shortly they will be going back to the facility to be exchanged. I don't know how long this is going to go on, but their 3-year warranty on these jeans they seem to honor them. So, and as you can see, there's a number of holes developing here. Now that can be explained by just wear and tear. I'm not complaining about that. That's just wear and tear. But the fact that these things are just they're self-destructing is you can't even. Here's another one. I'm convinced that most of the damage is being done by the washing machine. Here's another fray. It's just coming to pieces. And the area, I don't carry anything in this pocket. This pocket, my right rear pocket, usually has a hanky. I usually always carry a handkerchief, just out of habit. But see the thing, the little corners are wearing through. You can see, take my word for it, you can see daylight if you hold it up to the light. It's time to find somebody, some other jean manufacturer that makes jeans like they used to back when I was a young man in the 70s and 80s, when I was a lot more active than I am today. So anyway, post this up on the YouTube, and thanks for watching.